Hello gamer. Today I will show you how to remove and replace the SteelSeries H9 gaming headset earpads cushions. I'll show you how to replace the Velour type ear cups with leather type earpads, which improves sound isolation and provides more bass, and is easier to clean. As you can see, the current earpad cushions are dirty and I want to refresh them. To remove an earpad, you have to put your index finger inside it and slowly pull the cushion off. You can take it off with the whole plastic backing, but if you are afraid of damaging it, you can take off the earpad first. Then carefully remove the base of the earpad with a flathead screwdriver. As you can see, it was held in place by 6 plastic pins. If you want to remove the earpad together with the whole base at once, then carefully push the same flat screwdriver behind the edge of the earpad and carefully snap it off. Wow, that was quick and successful. The easiest and cheapest way to get a cool new earpad cushion is to measure the diameter of the existing earpad. Then search Amazon or Aliexpress for 100mm velour or leather replacement earpads. These SteelSeries H9 headphones also fit earpads from Audio-Technica M50 headphones. Once you have received the replacement earpad cushions, all you need to do is insert the plastic mounting ring into the new earpads. Once again, your index finger is the one to use. Once the mounting ring is in the earpad, all you have to do is find the right direction so that all the pins fit correctly, and then you just have to press the new earpads down properly. The new Velour earpad cushion should be attached in the same way. If you want to understand in detail how Velour earpads compare to leather earpads, open our previous comparison video. Please also see the result, new leather and Velour earpads. I like how the SteelSeries H9 headphones look with the leather type earpad. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to post them below this video. Have a nice holiday.